YouTube, Ice Cat Crew. Welcome back to another episode. It's your boy Drew back with another video. If y'all ain't subscribed yet, I don't know what y'all doing. But if you here and you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that post notification bell. Set it to all so you get notified every time I post. We out here at this car show. I'm gonna show you some of these cars. We got that Venom thing. We got the whole setup over here. We got a bunch of copyright out here, so I hope I don't get dinged. But yeah, you know what it is. We got King Mozzie out here sitting on the Forgiatos. Then we got Scat Pack Black over here. This don't float yet, but he getting there. His interior is crazy. The engine bay. You got the whole joint done up. All the pins, everything. You got Snowflake out here looking all shiny, suited up. Got the, damn it, man. It's Big Lil Man over here. Big Lil Man over here. Hey, you good? Oh, Bad Lil Man. Sitting on them 26s. Doing it real big. Got some Chargers out here. Got the paper tag on this RT thing. Got this joint multicolored. Beauty and the Beast. I'm trying to get some more of these cars, but I mean, there's a lot of music playing out here, so I'm gonna see what I can do. So I'm gonna get back with y'all in a minute. Check out this truck right here. This thing is hard. Got the Aztec calendar on the hood. Everything lit up. Rucci rims. This thing hot. Oh yeah, this thing hot. And it moves. Yeah, this thing is crazy. Got the TVs and the visors. Got TVs everywhere. Big ass speakers. Louboutin interior. Man, this thing is nice. Got TVs in the tailgate. We got this purple, pink thing. And they all got custom interior. Got the Gucci on this one. Dove wheels. Mexico break my heart out here. Try to get some more footage of them cars over there and all this damn music. So I'm gonna get back with y'all when the music cut down. All right, we got the mailman right here. Just painted up the wheels. This thing is hard. And this is like one of the original SRT8s. What's happening, brother?
What up, Mike? You all right?
I'm cool. She looking good with them rims like that.
Appreciate it, man. I went over there where you went, see.
Yeah, Lone Star?
Yeah.
They hook you up, man.
Yeah, I've been going back and forth, man. I had a couple spots I was gonna go to. There's a place for Lankstar we messed around with doing OID.
Man, but they got you right.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Pontiac over here. Straight Dallas. Straight Dallas. Look at that. I like the lightning. got flakes in it. That's nice. That's nice. Damn it if they ain't playing that music loud. Got these old schools over here. I've always liked this Continental. Always. This shit hard. I like what he did with the wheels. The interior. Look. Immaculate. Immaculate. This thing is hard. Hell yeah. You know I had to get this purple thing in there. This thing look like they wrapped the rims. That shit is nice. That's nice. Hey man, it's copyright. Damn copyright. I like the interior on this thing. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That's strong. Alright, we got some more whips out here coming up on the 392s, Hellcats. It's my people. I gotta get some lights, man. I gotta get some lights, because I mean they killing it with these lights. Killing it with these lights. SRT wheels. Carter 92 underscore. 5-inch tips on them. 5.7 thing with the bronze Hellcat wheels. God damn. That thing's so big they rub it. Look at it. Another purple thing. Look at that. Okay. He got the Purple Rain plaque in the window. That's what's up. Purple Rain on the rims. All right, let me see if I can get some more of this footage here, because I'm getting away from the music. It sounds like I'm coming up on some music now. But damn, look at this Charger. That Charger is sitting high as hell. God damn. He ain't like everybody else. He got that meat on the tires. Got that meat on the tires. We got the 300 Dub floaters on it. thing. Got these trucks out here. Everybody rocking the spike lug nuts on these joints. Even if they ain't got no rims on it, they still rocking those spikes. That's right. The spikes set that off. Spikes set that off. But I'm gonna get back with y'all because the music's starting to get loud. Horse over here. These things are clean. If I was still in the imports, and you know what I'm saying, I obviously have one, but these things are clean. NYU, well, NVUS. I bet they fast too. But everybody gravitating to us. I mean, it's kind of cool having all these people come up over here talking to us and stuff. That dude got some serious shit in his car. He got all them amps, batteries in the back. He got that thing is ridiculous. But yeah, we got the mailman. Music calmed down, so I'm able to give y'all a closer look at this thing. But he went to the same place I went to for his rims, Lone Star Wheel Repair. I mean, they hooked him up. Y'all seen mine. They hooked me up. But like I said, this is like the original SRT8. This is, I think, a 2015 392. This thing is clean. And it sounds crazy. He got that, it's a manual, so you know he be shifting through them gears, getting this thing loose. So we got this 2020 thing right here. All right, there's the music again. What the hell is that? I ain't see that. I ain't see that at Whitfest.
Or some shit like that.
I might have to go see that. That thing is crazy. I ain't never seen nothing like that. I might have to chase this dude down because I ain't never seen nothing like that. Yeah, we got the big rim lifted trucks. Got that old school Oldsmobile right there with the lights. I need to go see that. That shit had me stopping my tracks. That thing. God. What is that?
It's called a Vader, man. We got only one in
That shit is crazy. That shit is crazy. He said what it was, but I ain't even hear it. Yeah.
Y'all still working?
Serious.
That's a Mustang. That's a Mustang coming around right there.
This thing is serious. Know what the hell it is. This thing hard though. It's like a Lamborghini had sex with a Ferrari, had sex with a damn something, an alien or some shit. This shit is crazy hot. Damn. That shit hard. I still don't know what the hell it is, but that's hot. Yeah, this thing hot. But got the Vet, the Forgiatos, look at that. I mean, I had to chase that thing down because I didn't know what the hell that was. Still don't. But it's hot. I had to get that on this video because God. That was some next level shit. He said that's the only one in Texas. I believe you. I ain't never seen that. All these car events I go to, I ain't never seen nothing like that. All right, they finally turned the music down so I can show y'all these trucks right here. Got Louis Vuitton on there. On the interior, he was bumping these speakers hard. Got the blue Maserati there. Got the 392 green joint with the yellow accents. This thing hot. Came in and said, that's what I got on Snowflake. That's what make that wine all loud. So I put in for best wheels, top 30, and something else. I can't remember. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get back with y'all. Well, Ice Cat Crew, I'm back. The culmination of everything at that car show. I mean, the final tally or whatever. None of us won anything. We didn't even win top 30, which is like, I don't know. I think my car was at least in the top 30 for that shit. So, but whatever. It is what it is. It's a car show. I mean, it's other people's opinions. So, I mean, there was some hot ass cars out there. And we had a good time. I mean, just I thought I was at least gonna get top 30. And somebody won best rims that probably shouldn't have, because their rims are all scratched up. And I mean, they big, but they all scratched up. But I'm gonna leave that alone. But for y'all that's watching my channel for the first time, I appreciate y'all showing love. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell to all, so you get notified every time I post. Make sure y'all like the video, comment. And I'll get up with y'all on the next episode. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing next time, but that's a wrap for this one.